Okay, morning everybody. This is for Jacob. He wants to know how to draw on MathsWatch. So I've had a go. Basically, I think you use the ruler tool. Sometimes it doesn't like the shape that you've drawn, so you've got to try and be as accurate as you can. So firstly, for this question, it's saying x equals -2. The line x equals -2 cuts through the x-axis at -2. And if you remember that lesson, all the values of x on this line are -2, and that's why we call it that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw that line in first. So I've got the ruler. I'm just going to draw that line down. I don't think it'll affect the answer bit if I draw this line. So I'm going to draw the line. Okay, so that's where I know I'm reflecting it from. Hopefully you can see that. It's a bit of a rush job, this one, because I'm trying to use the visualizer on the screen so you can see me using the tools. I probably could do a screen recording somehow, but I'm just doing this one instead. So then we need to know that every single vertex, every single corner is the same distance away from this line. So that has to be one away from the line, so that's got to go there. You don't have to do these corners, by the way. The next corner would go there, or vertex, if we want to be precise with our language. So you can see, I'm just marking them out. You don't have to mark them out. I tried this way first to see if MathsWatch would accept it this way. If I show you, I'll submit the answers. It says no, it doesn't like it, so obviously that doesn't work that way. So then if you get your ruler in this bit, you try and be as precise as you can. Then use this little pencil tool on the ruler. I'm just doing all the vertical lines first because it makes it faster. Make sure you try and hit all the corners, vertices. And that's all the vertical ones. Then I'll do the horizontal ones. Yes. I don't think it matters that I've gone too far. I think it just matters that it overlaps. So, like I said, the crosses aren't necessary. You don't need those, I don't think. And it says, whoops, you've made some incorrect answers, but I don't think that's true. I think that's just me submitting the whole thing at once. But on this question, you can see I've got 2 out of 2. Okay, so hopefully that answers Jacob's question about how you draw and how you reflect. I think it was more about how you draw, so use the ruler tool. Today, you are doing lines that involve y equals x. And to remind you, y equals x is where the numbers of y and x are equal. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, but it's the natural diagonal line. That is y equals x. In this one, the diagonal distance has to be equally spaced out. So it's about going diagonally. So your reflections have to be perpendicularly equidistant. So they have to be at 90 degrees to the line of reflection and the same distance away on the other side. So the shape does get inverted. Okay, hopefully that answers your question. Any other questions, year 7, please ask. It will help you. And if it didn't help, just email me again and I'll re-explain it in a different way.